Hey everyone, welcome to your weekly market update from the Tuttle Group. Stocks stumbled today, down big at the open, but they pulled back up. Now they're just down a touch lower. The past 2 weeks, it's been a roller coaster. Dow is off about 9.8% from its March 19th high. Now let's compare that to the nastiest multi-week drops over the last 5 years, at least some of them. March 2020s, of course, we had a 20% crash. Late 2018s, there was a 13% slide, and there was a 15% dip in August of 2022. So this isn't the deep end. We're at early 2024 levels, and if you invested a lump sum in the market 5 years ago, well, you're still up nearly 50%. So here's another bright spot. Jobs blew it out. Last week's update showed market estimates of about 140,000 new jobs expected. But Friday's jobs report, over 228,000 jobs were created. It smashed the estimates. And here's a cool twist. The government tweaks these job numbers the following month after they've first been reported. It's kind of like fixing a typo in a text you already sent. Last year, those fixes, called revisions, averaged about 50,000 a month, bumping previously reported jobs numbers down even further. But the last 2 months, they're barely moving, under about 20,000 a month in revisions. That means the jobs data is rock solid lately, a sign the private sector standing tall on its own. I know tariffs, market dips are rattling cages. Bonds sold off. 10-year yields spiked up. The Fed's waiting for the tariff fallout. That means that even good news may not make a positive difference in the short term. For instance, the consumer price index this Thursday, it might dip significantly and show shelter costs are easing. That is normally great inflation news and would typically benefit mortgage interest rates. But tariffs, they could stir the pot and make that not even a blip on the radar. Hang in there, keep calm. It's going to be all right. Market correction is still brewing. We've leaned on government cash too long, all right? And housing, yeah, it's got its bumps coming. But 200,000 jobs, that's your green light. Homebuyers, jobs mean strength. Smart plays land your perfect place. Homeowners, refinancing's in reach. If you haven't done your target rate analysis with us yet, please reach out today and let's get that set up for you so we can nail the timing on your refinance. Realtors, Fast Track keeps your buyers sharp and offer ready. Any market, any storm, we're going to win together. Texas stands firm. Tariffs aren't going to sink us. And with private jobs roaring for a couple of months in a row now, you've got the edge. Let's make it happen. Stay tuned, stay ready, and as always, be the Buffalo. Thanks for watching.